Only after using the mite remover did I realize that the bed was so dirty. Strong beating plus ultraviolet light, the dust removal effect is excellent. 7200 pascals, enhanced suction, 1 second deep mite removal, plus dust removal. Sensitive skin, people who love cleanliness, and those with children and pets at home must use it. Strongly recommended for people with sensitive skin. It really eliminates mites. Physical mite removal, no pollution, no damage. The UV ultraviolet light has the function of sterilizing and removing mites, and my skin no longer has allergies and acne. 2 types of cleaner heads, no need for wires, can be used in the car at home. Super large capacity, washable, easy to clean. Buy one and use it for 10 years. It can be used for 30 days on a single charge. A must for home.